If you've ever been watching a video on X, formerly Twitter, and those captions are getting in the way, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to turn them off on desktop. It's a simple fix, but if you don't know where to look, the button can be easy to miss. So in this video, I'll walk you through the steps clearly, and by the end, you'll be able to watch X videos without subtitles showing up on screen. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more quick and practical tech tips just like this one. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when new tutorials are posted. Alright, let's get into it. If you're on a desktop or laptop, first open X in your web browser and find the video you want to watch. Let the video start playing in your feed. Once it's playing, move your mouse over the video player. This is important because the playback controls usually only appear when you hover over the video. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the video player. You should see the controls appear there, including the volume option and the captions button. The captions button is usually labeled with a CC icon. That CC icon stands for closed captions, and that's the setting you want to change. To turn the captions off, simply click the CC icon once. As soon as you do that, the subtitles should disappear from the video. If the captions were already off, clicking the icon again would turn them back on. So this works like a toggle, which means you can switch captions on or off with a single click. If you're not seeing the CC button right away, make sure the video is actually playing and that your cursor is over the player. Sometimes the controls fade out when you move the mouse away, so just hover again and look carefully near the bottom of the video. In most cases, the captions control will be right next to the volume area on the lower right side. And that's really all there is to it. On desktop, turning off captions in X videos is just a matter of hovering over the video and clicking the CC icon. It only takes a second once you know where to find it. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and share it with someone who might be wondering how to remove captions on X. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.